Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. All right, let's get into this stir fry. So I'm making the sauce for the stir fry, and as a home cook, I don't really do measurements very well. I add a splash of this, a dash of that, give a little tasty taste, and if it tastes good, then that's what we go with. Someone asked me to make this video, so GT Jr. grows in Alaska. This one's for you. Hi, you made your way, Nala. Good job. Hey, Delta. Say hi, Coda. Hi, baby boy. So I'm gonna cut some of this cilantro here. So I'm gonna add this to my sauce. I love standing back and just watching them play with each other. They're so cute. All right, you guys, see you later. So I'm gonna store this in the refrigerator until I get everything else ready. Here are the pork chops that I'm gonna be cutting into smaller pieces. I mainly want to, hey doggies, hey. They just heard me come outside, so of course they want attention. But mainly what I want to get are some carrots as well as peppers. Peppers are right here behind me. The storm knocked my pots over. Man. Okay. Yeah. So here are the carrots. Let me pull this out. Oh man, darn. I just broke my container. I'm trying to do this with one hand. I should have been lifting this with two hands. So that is definitely on me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull these. I know they're not extremely large carrots, but I want to go ahead and use them because I want to utilize this planter, because I want to use this for the fall to drop some more seeds. Oh, this one's a nice one. I am so excited. Carrots have always given me trouble, but thanks to the gardening community, oh, look at that worm. What is that? Yeah, I got you. Thanks to this wonderful garden community, I learned that carrots like really light, fluffy soil. So I think that was probably my main issue. My soil was probably a little too heavy. And also, I think that maybe I didn't water enough in the beginning because I kept the soil moist, and that seemed to help. So I think I'm over that hurdle. So I know what to do now. Oh, that's a nice one too. I'm beating the soil off of it because I don't want to waste any soil, and also I don't want to have to take much of this soil into the house. Oh, this is going to be really nice in this stir fry. Okay, and these carrot tops I'm going to add to the stir fry as well because carrot tops are edible. Very nice, very nice. So now that I know what I'm doing, I will definitely be planting more carrots. So I suggest always start small when you're growing something new, especially if it's something that you've never had before and you're just not sure whether or not you're going to like it. Plant just a small amount, try it out, and if you like it, then hey, do it up big the next go around. So I'm happy. Yeah, so these carrots are going to go into the stir fry tonight. Wet out here from all the rain. Okay, let's grab up these peppers. Let's get these peppers. I've got tons of them. I'm not going to harvest all of them, but just what I need for now for this stir fry. Okay, I've got some nice peppers here. I've got a red pepper, bell peppers. I believe this is the California Wonder, the Sugar Rush Peach, and then just some other varieties at different stages of development. So it's going to make for a really nice, colorful stir fry. Found a nice tomato over there. So this is all I need for this stir fry dish, maybe more than I need. Like the fat, so I cut it away, and I'm going to boil this and give it to the dogs so they'll get the scraps with they got some meat on there too, so the dogs will enjoy this. As for us, I cut up the pork into small size chunks, and I will stir fry this. So really you can use any of your favorite spices. Here are those fresh carrots and carrot tops straight from the garden. I prefer yellow rice over white rice, so that's what we're having tonight. This is my first time using this wok, so let's see what it do. It is so nice being able to add these beautiful and colorful fresh vegetables from my backyard garden, with the exception of the mushrooms. This really is an easy dish to put together, even if you're new to cooking. I mean, what really takes the longest time is chopping the meat into smaller pieces, slicing and chopping your veggies. But once that's done, it's a cinch. I believe we first eat with our eyes, so have fun with it. Make it colorful, make the meal inviting. And here are those carrot tops, very nutritional. A bite for me and a bite for you. You all knew I was going to share. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.